In this video, I'm going to show you how to equip the Korblox Leg in Roblox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to roblox.com and you want to sign into your account. And after that, click on over here, top left, where there's the three lines. And then you want to go ahead and click on Avatar. Now, in case you didn't know, the Korblox Leg actually is a right leg. So you want to go to head and body over here, hover over that and click on down here where it says right legs. Click on that. And then in case you have it, in case you actually own the Korblox Leg, you'll see it over here inside your inventory and you simply want to click on it. And then just like that, it's going to get basically attached to you and you're going to basically be wearing it. Now, in case you're wondering how this looks like or how this would look on your character, you can go ahead, go to Google, you can type in Roblox Korblox Leg, and it's going to show you, the first link over here is Korblox that speaker right leg. Click on that. And then over here, you'll see that it's going to go inside the catalog for the Korblox that speaker right leg. It says that this item is currently not for sale. However, you can go ahead and see the 3D of it like that. Or you can even go ahead and try it on by clicking try on. And as you can see, it's going to show you how it's going to look like on your character. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can also make it your favorite by clicking over here as well. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.